Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. This is Mr. Singh and welcome to my channel. Carnival Corporation, ticker symbol CCL. What a day, right? We opened up, but before we talk on the technical side, folks, I want to share some fundamentals and some great technical analysis, which I discussed on the previous video, what I expected it and what is inspiring, tending to be that way. But there is a great news. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere because we have great news that I want to share with you guys. So buckle up. Let's go. So 1560 with market sold up and right at the within the 6 minutes we came low of 15656. We broke through and my purple line, which was my acting as a massive support level throughout the majority of the day. Time and time you can see it. He acted to the support and went high of $16.13. We kind of break down, came back to 1591 and back again to that high level. So we went, and then we went back to check at $16.12. So pretty mellow day for Carnival, which is okay, right? And what I mean by that? Well, folks, this is what I meant by that when I say pretty mellow day, right? So this is something I want you guys to keep an eye. What's going to be happening very soon is in breakout, right? So this is the volume it's picking up, right? MACD is right up here, and that's going to be a key level going forward because I want to make sure that we understand where it's going to be. So we knew about this trend line. We had this the up and down pattern, right, which is a trading between those channel. So right now we came down right here, right? Now we're going to see another move out. This is very critical because if we break out on this one, then we are going to test the highs of $17, right? The pretty highs is the $19.74, where it is going to be the confirmation that is an uptrend. Everything MACD, you can see the volume of selling volume of bears. Sorry, the short sellers of bears is higher than the bulls around here. But look at RSI, right? Cannabis started turning, right? We did had the hope over here, but we didn't. We don't go with hope. We go with technical analysis. And I was saying that is going to be trading in between this channel to break out. Well, before I talk on the technical side, more on that, the news that came out today that I want to share with you guys quickly is earnings is, I know it's far from in the March right now, but keep an eye on that, right? Meanwhile, the Dow experienced a raise of 0.3%, technology dominated a Nasdaq of increase of 0.07. Shares of the cruise operator witnessed a loss of 8.76% of the previous month, trailing the performance of consumer directory sector, a gain of 2.45, SP gain at 5.3%. The analysts investors would like to keep an eye on the performance of Carnival upcoming earnings disclosure. On that day, Carnival is projected to report negative 18 cents per share, which represent an over a year growth of 62.2%, folks. Meanwhile, the latest consensus estimate of 5.4 billion indicating the 21.82%. That's a massive, right? Skipping through on this, Zach ranked stretching of a strong buy, right? Number one is a strong buy, which we all know this is a discounted price a share right now. A discounted price share that people can buy in, to go through on that, like to invest of and or even to average down. So something to keep an eye, at discounted price. I loaded some shares again last week and this week again, and my plan is to keep loading it because I have a very key level that I'm paying attention. This is not my first rodeo with Carnival. I've been a long-term investor. I've been a day trader investor on Carnival many times. So year to date, I remember these runs that we had. I'm going to show you quickly the 5-year trend, what Carnival used to be, right here, be right over the pandemic when happened. We came back all the way the $8 and then even below that to $6.11. Now we never we can recover. But this is the tunnel we're looking at it, where the pink line, it is a 60-day, it's getting narrow, closing up the gap of my 60-day, right? 200 days sitting on top, 60 days sitting in the bottom. It has to be flip-flop in order to have an uptrend. Couple things before I let you guys go. 6 months, right? How are we looking in 6 months? This is the crossover, right? This is the crossover when happened back in February, beginning of that, where we were expecting to be a breakout, right? Because there were my 60 day and my 60 day and my pink line, the 200-day email were tagging on each other, and you can see clearly it has tried to break out, we couldn't, and we came down. So MACD still has a lot of room to go, right? Volume is there, but it is not there where we expect it, right? This is not where we want to be, but we see but this is the trend, folks. This is a trend right now. We are not over the woods yet. What is the next support level, right? I'm sure a lot of you guys have a question. What is the next support? We're looking at it, and it's going to be none other than $14 right up here, right? And it's going to be because it acted as a support. So I'm going to put it right over here at $14.94 because right here it could quickly bounced off. I know it's lower than that, but I'm going to put it at $14.94. Maybe, yes, 94 cents, 97 cents. So something to keep an eye. It's a dollar move from now. Resistance, I'm gonna keep it the same. It's my $16 right here. $16.62 is gonna be my resistance level to break out. With the in As soon as it comes to earnings, this is going to be a lot of movement, folks. A lot of movement on this Carnival stock. So be prepared, be buckle up because everything it is on the flat right now. It is a downtrend. Unfortunately, it is a downtrend, right? We had a from a 6 month chart. Even I go back all the way to 3 months, it is a downtrend from $19, right? $19.74. It is a downtrend pattern. So I'm gonna have it right over here to see where we're gonna head, right? And kind of have an idea of what if either going to be trading in between this channel or it's going to be a breakout. Well, other than that, folks, just buckle up. It's going to break out. It's going to break out very soon. Very soon it's going to break out because the MACD on the 3 month is still pointing up. RSI is still in the middle. It is just a matter of time to break out. But the two massive resistance, we're sitting at $16.67. Something to keep an eye, right, folks? I'm going to let you guys go. I hope you guys had a great week of on Tuesday and Monday and Tuesday of training. Don't get beat up. Just relax. This is a great company. Earnings news is coming out, right? This is going to be a 27.62% growth over $5.2 billion, right? And that's a lot of growth on this company. So overall, I'm impressed. What I'm seeing it, not impressed on the stock thing, right? But that's the beauty of it sometimes to do that. But I'm going to show you, like I said, this triangle in trading in between that, and we might be seeing it 1497 for a breakout to coming in, but the key level, we are trading below the resistance level, right? Quickly, if you have missed it, I'm going to show it back again. So we are still in the track, right? Nothing changes. See, I had it on my previous thing. It's going to be trading in between up and down, and right here, right? And then we'll see a triangular breakdown on that. So a zigzag of a small bull flag on a year to date. A bull flag trades up and down before it has that breakout level comes in. So you're looking at around in 50 by February 15, right before Valentine. No, actually I'm wrong. It's right second 29. So sorry, February 19. My bad. February 19 is the day that I'm looking for the breakout on that. So let's see if I was right or wrong, because I love to be right. I hate to be wrong, but technical analysis do not lie on that. So mark your calendar. February 19 is the looking at the breakout on that. Overall, I'm happy to getting some discounted shares, which I appreciated. But thanks, guys, for watching the TV. Thanks, guys, watching this my channel, and thank you for supporting. I appreciate it. It has been a long day. Thanks, guys. Thank you.